What's up, Triple Fam? Today we're going to be doing something cool because we're going to be getting some Diet Coke, some Mentos, and we're going to try and explode it to see how it goes. I also got this new Jawbreaker. Go.
Whoa! Yeah, boy. Come
Yeah.
with the camera, man.
Shake it.
It's a good thing we did it over this. Oh my gosh, this is... I'm drinking it now.
She's going to drink it. How does it taste, Ben?
It's good. I'm gonna kick it out of here. Let's restart.
So that was pretty cool. Shout out to this guy, Josh. What's your YouTube channel?
Mustard. Well, it's gonna be called Mustard, but I haven't updated it yet.
It's going to be called what?
Misted.
Misted. It's going to be called Misted.
Yes.
I have to literally turn it around, so this is like pretty bad right now, and I know it. How about like this?
I have to check back in.
Yeah, like that. Yeah, that's perfect.
So right now we're at the park. I'm gonna try and climb all the way up there. Let's go. So I got up to tree house. Now I'm all the way up here. You know, I got to from there. Get back in. Let's go through here. Let's get out. Ow. Okay, I got up here. Yeah. Is it me? Yeah. I got it here. Yeah. I might get up here. Put a thumbs up. Let's try and get to 5 likes, and I'm gonna go up to this one next time. Now, I'm gonna go back down. I'm gonna go make a backflip.
Like the backflip. Ooh, good job. Go. And we're gonna do another one on the swing. Okay, stand back. Go. And another one on the trick swing.
Okay, I have a question for you guys. Do you guys like me in glasses? I don't even know if it's facing me.
It's good.
Okay.
Figured out that we should play Tank Stars. By the way, Tank Stars.
So then again, you know that kind of video for the Coke diet. It's kind of a little bit of a fail, but it's okay. It's okay.
And this is...
A no-handed girl. She's gonna do no-handed on the bike. What?
Hey. So here's the view from up here. Oh God, beat. Oh, that was scary. Yeah.
We have the beautiful view of Rotten Wood, if you want to look at that.
Yeah.
And they done.
So that's gonna be the end of this video. Please like and subscribe. That would mean a lot to me. Yeah, that'd be so cool. So see you guys later in the next video. Subscribe!